In this video, I'm going to present you a way on how you can reset your Shark Robot vacuum and also how we can possibly fix the connection and working issues. So what you can try to do, and this is the first thing, is you just want to put it out of the dock and press the power button for about 15 seconds. So this is the first thing. The second thing that you can try to do is that you want to turn it off. So turn it completely off, and then you want to press and hold the dock and clean button when it's off for about, like, let's say 15 to 20 seconds. It should like a factory reset. It depends on, of course, what kind of shark you have, but this is something that can possibly help you. So let me down in comments if it actually helped you. So try to turn it off, then press the dock and clean button together and just hold it. And then what I would do is that you can even try it when it's going to turn on if something is going to happen, because there isn't a lot of information on the internet about this. So I just wanted to make this quick video for you, so maybe it's going to solve your issue. So let me down in the comments if it actually helped you or no. So first, try to just turn it off and hold it for like 10-15 seconds, and then try to the combination of dock and clean. So thank you very much and have a great day, and goodbye.